Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to download and install Valorant on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC. In the top search bar, type playvalorant.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Valorant website by Riot Games. Once you're there, click the Play for Free button. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Riot account. If you don't have one, click on the Create One button. On this page, you can easily create a new account by adding your email address, or you can use other options like Facebook, Google, or Apple to sign up. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the download page. From here, click the Download button, and the Valorant setup file will begin downloading. Once the download finishes, go to your downloads location. Now, double-click on the Valorant installer file to open it. If a pop-up appears asking for permission, click Yes. The Riot Games launcher will now open. Here, you'll see an Install button, and just below it, there's an Advanced Options button. If you want to choose where the game should be installed, click on Advanced Options. Select your preferred install path, and then click Install. The installation process will begin. It may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to sign in again to your Riot launcher. After sign in, click on the Install button to finalize the game setup. When the installation is finished, you'll see the Play button. Click it, and Valorant will launch perfectly on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Valorant on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Clickfix Tech for more simple and helpful tech guides. And if you run into any issues during the process, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.